Hello and welcome. Today we will be talking about what is a 1N4007 rectifier diode and how to use one. The 1N4007 belongs to a family of silicon rectifier diodes designed for general-purpose rectification in various electronic circuits. The 1N prefix indicates a standard diode, and 4007 is the specific part number for the 1N4007 diode. Rectifier diodes are electronic components that allow the flow of electric current in only one direction. They are commonly used in power supply circuits to convert alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC, that it allows current to flow freely in one direction, forward bias, while blocking current in the opposite direction, reverse bias. When the diode is forward biased, it has a low resistance and allows current to pass through. In reverse bias, the diode has a high resistance and inhibits the flow of current. The 1N4007 diode is specifically designed to handle a maximum forward current of 1 ampere and withstand a reverse voltage of up to 1000 volts. 1N4007 rectifier diode is commonly used for rectification, power supply protection, voltage clamping, polarity protection, and signal rectification. It converts AC to DC, protects against reverse polarity, limits voltage spikes, and rectifies small signals. It finds widespread use in power supplies, electronic devices, and circuits. The 1N4007 diode has a standard axial lead package, which means it has two wire leads coming out of each end. The lead connected to the cathode is usually shorter than the one connected to the anode. The cathode of the 1N4007 rectifier diode is also indicated by a gray strip on one end of the diode. It is important to note the correct orientation of the diode during circuit assembly, as reversing the polarity may cause the diode to fail. The first picture shows the reading on a multimeter if you connect the 1N4007 diode so that it is in forward bias. And in the second picture, it shows the reading on a multimeter if you connect the 1N4007 diode so that it is in reverse bias. As you can see, it blocks the current from going in one direction, while allowing it to flow in another direction. Overall, the 1N4007 diode is a common and versatile component used in a wide range of electronic applications that require rectification and voltage regulation. Thanks for watching.